Hi everyone, welcome to Ajisha Academy, and today we are going to discuss how to install Eclipse IDE on your machine. Eclipse is one of the most important IDEs for Java programming. So let us see the steps how to install it. First of all, open a browser and search for Eclipse downloads. Go on the very first link, Eclipse downloads, the Eclipse Foundation. Here you can see the IDE package. Click on download. Now once the file is downloaded, click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. Click on Eclipse IDE for Java EE because in this you can also develop web applications in future if you want to. Click on install. It will take some time based on your network speed. Once the installation is complete, click on launch. This is the workspace, and by default the workspace is in C drive. You can change the location of your workspace wherever you want to store your Eclipse workspaces. And if you want to change, click on browse and give the folder of your choice. Else click on launch. This is how the Eclipse opens. So these were the steps to install Eclipse on your machine and start working on it. Please stay connected for more updates and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.